There is something delicious about deep relaxation. It allows you to release tension and stress from your body and to heal yourself. It's a luxury you can afford for just a little of your time. The benefits are immense, and if done regularly, it can help with slowing down illness and aging, as well as creating a feeling of well-being. So, take a moment now to make yourself comfortable and feel free to move around during the relaxation if you need to. You may choose to close your eyes or keep them open if that feels more comfortable. Allow your attention to come gently into your body, just as it is. Notice where your body is supported by the chair, the floor, or whatever you are resting on. I invite you to be relaxed about relaxing. There is no need for striving in this moment. This is your moment to let go of tensions and worries. You can now exist in an oasis of calm. Simply being here is enough. If at any point my words don't suit you, you're welcome to let them pass and return to the natural rhythm of your breathing. Now, bring a light awareness to your breathing. You don't need to breathe in any special way, just noticing the breath as it comes in and as it goes out. You might notice the breath at the nose, or the chest, or the belly, wherever it's easiest to feel. As you breathe out, you might imagine, or simply sense, a gentle releasing, a softening, a letting go. If you want to, you can hold your breath for a few seconds before releasing it naturally and without effort. This is a method for releasing tension. If you also allow the out-breath to be longer than the in-breath, this signals to your body that it's safe to relax. It's a bit like sighing and helps with letting go of anything that doesn't serve you. By holding the breath for a little and making your out-breaths longer, you can release body tensions and stress. But most of all, just breathe in a way that is comfortable for you. If you wish, you can imagine stress and tension leaving your body as you do this. Some people imagine grey smoke leaving them, but feel free to simply feel the sensation of that which is not wanted leaving you. Now, we'll gently bring awareness through the body. Bring your attention to the top of your head. You might sense warmth, coolness, tingling, or nothing in particular. Allow that area to soften. Let your awareness move gently down to your face, the forehead, the eyes, the jaw. If you notice any holding, see if it's possible to let it ease, even just a fraction. Bring awareness to the arms and hands, the upper arms, the elbows, the forearms, the palms and fingers. Allow all these parts of your body to sink down and relax fully. Enjoy the sensation of just letting them go loose and limp. Now the neck and shoulders. Many of us carry a lot here. You don't need to force them to relax. Just let them be, with a gentle sinking sensation. Let them be supported. Notice the chest and the heart area. Notice the gentle movement of the breath here. Take a breath that allows your chest area to expand, but only one that is safe for you. Hold if you want for a few seconds before releasing the breath without effort and releasing any tension in that area with it. Repeat this once or twice. Bring your attention to the stomach and lower abdomen. As you focus on this area, breathe in again and hold, sensing any tension and releasing all of it without any effort. Allow the area to soften and release and let it be free from holding. Now move to the hips and pelvis, an area of deep support where we can often carry a heavy weight. Allow the weight of the body to settle downward. In the same way, breathe into the hips and pelvis and allow that area to release any stress or tension that is held there. Next, bring awareness to the thighs, the knees, the lower legs, the feet. Notice the contact with the floor or whatever is beneath them. Imagine breathing into the legs and feet and releasing any tension to the ground beneath. Allow anything that is not serving you to release down through your feet. It can be like compost because the earth takes it from you and transforms it. Now just breathe for a few moments and feel the body as a whole, resting, supported, held. As the body rests, you may begin to notice a sense of steadiness or calm. If thoughts arise, that's completely natural. You don't need to push them away. You can imagine placing each thought gently to one side, or letting it float past, and then returning to the feeling of the breath or the body being supported. You might become aware of sounds, near or far, allowing them to come and go without needing to follow them. Nothing needs your attention right now. This is a time for resting. For now, simply remain here, breathing and noticing how the body feels compared to when we began. There's no rush. When you're ready, you can get up and continue with your day, or if you prefer, use this opportunity to rest a little while longer or even go to sleep.